Jimmy Cliff uplifted the world. It is not often that I agree with the leader of the opposition. But the harder they come, the soundtrack is probably, I mean, you said it was among the best. Not that I want to top what you have said, but I think it is the best soundtrack. I think we can agree that yes, it was among the best soundtracks ever produced. And of course, that film and its music marked a defining turning point in Jamaica's cultural history. It introduced reggae to a global audience, but it did something even more profound. It introduced the Jamaican experience, our realities, our aspirations, our